Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tricknology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to monitor any server, PCs or smart devices with Zabbix and Raspberry Pi. So I will show you guys step by step configure Zabbix on your Raspberry Pi, so you just need to follow me. So at first you just need to insert the micro SD card to your computer. So after insert micro SD card on your computer, you need to open your browser and go to this website, which is raspberrypi.com. After go to this website, you need to click on software over here. Now you just need to scroll down and you have to download Raspberry Pi images software from this link. So if you are using macOS or Ubuntu, you can download from here. So I'm using Windows, so I will download this one. After download, you just need to install this Raspberry Pi imager on your computer, and after download, you just need to click on the see all download options. Now from here you just need to download a Raspberry Pi OS. So here you will get a 32-bit version, and if you will scroll down you will see 64-bit version. So in my case I'll use on this video 64-bit version, which I have already downloaded on my computer. So now I will open Raspberry Pi images software. So I'll go to my start menu and type Raspberry Pi imager. Now here on this window, you just need to click on choose device. Now in my case, I'm using Raspberry Pi 4, so I'll select here Raspberry Pi 4. So if you're using Raspberry Pi 5 or 2 or 3, you can select from here. Now I will select over here Raspberry Pi 4. Now click on choose OS. So if you'll select here Raspberry Pi OS 64-bit or 32-bit from here, it will download from your internet and it will take a little extra time. Okay, so I have already downloaded the ISO file, so I'll directly use that ISO file. So I'll select here use custom. Now I'll select that ISO file, means img file, which is Raspberry Pi bookworm. Okay, and select it open. Now click on choose storage. Here I will use my micro SD card, which is near about 32 GB. So I'll select that one and click on next. Now here if you click on edit settings, I have already set a host name and username password. As you can see, username is Tricknology and password 123 I have already set over here, and SSID is my Wi-Fi username and password over here. And from here you can set your time zone. After done, you just need to click on services. Now make sure that this option is enabled, which is SSH, and select over here use password authentication. Now click on options and make sure that this 3 option is enabled, checked. After that, click on save. Now here I will click on yes. Click on yes once again. Now it will take some time to install Raspberry Pi on your micro SD card, so you have to wait for a few minutes. After done, remove the micro SD card from your computer and insert it on your Raspberry Pi. And after that, you just need to insert the power cable to your Raspberry Pi. Then I will connect here LAN cable to my Raspberry Pi. So after connect micro SD card to my Raspberry Pi, I will try to find out my Raspberry Pi IP address. For that, I will use my router page. So here I will open my router login page, which is basically the gateway. So if you don't know your router IP, then simply go to your CMD and simply type IP config. And after type IP config, you will see the default gateway, and default gateway is basically your router IP. So now I'll log into my router. And go to the wireless and wired clients and check if it is showing or not. So as you can see, Raspberry Pi IP address is showing over here under wired clients, so which is 192.168.0.122. Also you can use advanced IP scanner to find out your Raspberry Pi IP address. So now what I'll do is I will simply open CMD first. After that, I will connect through SSH on that Raspberry Pi. So I'll type SSH space my username, which is Tricknology basically, and then at the date my IP of my Raspberry Pi and press enter. Now I'll type over here yes, and now I'll put my password, my Raspberry Pi password. As you can see, I'm successfully connected to my Raspberry Pi. So now what I have to do is, first I have to set my root password. For that I have to type over here sudo passwd and then space root, then press enter. Now I have to put my new root password, which is 123 in my case. You can set any. After that I will log in through root. The command will be su space root. Now press enter. Now type your password, and as you can see, I am logging from root account. So now here is my website where I have mentioned all the commands. So I'll give you the link on my video description. So first I have to update and upgrade my system. So I'll type over here sudo apt update, then sudo apt upgrade -y. After that press enter. After done, I have to install Zabbix. For that, simply copy the command from here and right click and press enter. Now it will take some time to download. Now I will type ls command. It will show the Zabbix release latest.dev file. So now what I have to do is I have to type the command. It's called sudo dpkg space -i and then space. I will copy the name and after that press enter. Once it will done, I have to type apt space update. After done, I have to download required dependency packages for Zabbix. For that I have to copy this command, okay, and after that right click and press enter. Now it will take some time. You have to wait for a few minutes. So after done, you have to enable and start MariaDB. For that you just need to type sudo systemctl enable MariaDB and after that press enter. MariaDB, and again you have to type sudo systemctl then start MariaDB and after that press enter. So after done, you have to set MySQL user ID password. For that you just need to type sudo MySQL _secure _installation. After that press enter from your keyboard. Now here, as you can see, enter the current root password. So I'll type over here, I'll press enter, and here is showing like switch to Unix socket. So I'll type over here no in N, and after that I'll press over here Y, and I'll set the new password, which is 123 over here, and I'll press Y to remove anonymous user. Then disallow root login remotely, yes. So I'll press Y, remove test database, yes, Y, and reload a table. So I'll press Y. So after done, you just need to install Zabbix server frontend agent. For that, simply you need to go to my website and simply copy the command from here, and after that right click on your CMD and press enter. Next you have to configure the MariaDB for Zabbix. For that you just need to type the command. Is called sudo mysql space -u root space -p, and after that press enter from your keyboard. Now here you just need to put your root password, which is in my case 123, and as you can see I'm successfully logged into my MariaDB. Now I have to create a Zabbix database and user. For that simply I will go to my website over here, just simply copy this first command over here and right click and press enter. The database name is Zabbix, okay, and the next is user, create user and password, Zabbix password. So I'll change the password, which is in my case I'll set the password 123, and after change password I'll simply copy and paste it over here on my terminal, and after that press enter. I'll copy the third command, press enter, then flash, then exit. Once it will done, you just need to import Zabbix database. So simply copy this command, right click and press enter. Now put your root password and press enter. It will take some time, so you have to wait for a few seconds. After that, simply you need to copy this command and just go to your terminal. So after done, you simply copy this command and right click and press enter. Now you have to just press down arrow key from your keyboard and find this line, which is db password equals to. Simply remove the hash and space from db password and simply put your password over here. In my case it is 123, so I'll type over here 123. Now I'll press Ctrl and press and hold Ctrl and press O button together, and after that press enter. After that press Ctrl, press and hold Ctrl and X to exit this window. Now what you have to do, you just need to start and enable Zabbix service. So for that you just need to simply copy this command and press enter. Copy the second command and press enter. After done, I have to type my IP address /Zabbix. So simply you just need to go to your browser and type your Raspberry Pi IP address and /Zabbix. So it is working successfully, as you can see. So now what I'll do is I have to click on next, and as you can see here I'm getting one error which is system locally, which is EN/US fail, as you can see. So what I have to do is simply I have to go to my terminal and type over here locally and space -a, and as you can see this EN/US is missing over here. So what I have to do is I just need to type over here sudo dpkg -reconfigure locals and press enter. Now from here you just need to press down arrow key and find the line which is EN_US UTF-8. over here you just need to press space to select that one and press tab key from your keyboard and press enter or space. Now as you can see here is showing like EN_US UTF-8, so simply press tab and after that press space. Once it will learn, you just need to type the command, is called sudo space reboot. So after done, you need to restart your computer. So this command will help you to reboot your PC. So press enter. I have to take some time to restart your PC. So after restart, I will reconnect my Raspberry Pi using SSH. So connected successfully. Now I will try to reload this page and let's see. So now as you can see it is showing OK. So now I will click on next step. Password, in my case I have already set 123, so I'll type over here 123, then click on next. Now here I will put Zabbix server name, which is in my case I'll set here Tricknology. You can set here default time zone, and from here you can set like the theme from here. So I'll select here blue and click on next, then next. Once it will done, click on finish. Now username is admin, A in caps, make sure that you have put it properly. Password is Zabbix by default, which I have already mentioned in my website, as you can see. So I'll click on sign in. Now I'll click on host under monitoring. As you can see, one Zabbix server is showing over here. So now I'll show you guys how to add any host on your Zabbix server. So I'll add this Windows host. So what I have to do is simply I have to go to my start menu and open settings, or else I will right click on my start menu and click on settings. After open settings window, click on system from your left side over here and find optional features over here. So click on optional features. If you are unable to find optional features over here, simply search over here optional features and click on optional features. After that, click on view features. Now here you just need to type snmp. Now simply check this two option, which is simple network management protocol and WMI snmp protocol, and click on next and click on add. Now it will take some time to add snmp on your computer, so you have to wait for a few minutes. So after install snmp on your computer, what you have to do, you just need to simply go to your start or search window, type services.msc. After that, press enter from your keyboard. Now after open services window, you just need to find snmp service. So here it is, as you can see, snmp service. Simply right click on snmp service and go to properties. Startup type you have to select over here automatic and click on apply. Now click on security over here. Now under accepted community names, you just need to click on add. Now community name, you can type anything, so I'll type over here public. After that, click on add. Now here, accept snmp packets from this host. You just need to add your Raspberry Pi IP address, in my case 192.168.0.122, which is my Zabbix server IP address, and click on add. After add, click on apply. Okay, then click on OK. Now restart the service. After done, you just need to go to your start menu and type firewall.cpl. After type this command, press enter from your keyboard. Now after open Windows Defender Firewall, what you have to do, you just need to click on advanced settings. Now here on this window, click on inbound rules and click on new rules. Now select here port and click on next. Select here UDP and port number will be 161 and click on next. Allow the connection, make sure that this option is checked and click on next. Now I will check these three options, which is domain private and public. Click on next. So I'll type snmp 161 and click on finish. So I have to add one more rules. So click on new rule, then port number, next, then UDP. This time port number will be 162. Now click on next, allow the connection, then next, domain private and public, then next. Name will be snmp 162. Now click on finish. After done, close this window. Now click on allow app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click on that option. Now here you just need to find snmp service. Make sure that private and public is checked for snmp trap and snmp service, and these two which I have added already. So if you are unable to change, then click on this change setting. After that, you can change the settings from here. After that, click on OK. Now I will check my computer IP address. So I'll open cmd and I will type over here ipconfig command. So as you can see, my host IP is 192.168.0.156. So now simply I will open Zabbix server, click on host. Here you can see the create host option, so click on that. Now host name, you just need to type the host name of your computer. If you don't know, simply type host name and you will see the host name over here. Simply copy that host name and paste it on host name section. Now click on templates, select, then here you just need to select templates operating system. Here you just need to select Windows by snmp. As you can see, it is selected. Now host group, I will type over here Windows 11 or Windows, whatever you want. Now click on over here. Now click on add. Now select here snmp. Now put your host IP address, which is in my case 192.168.0.156. Port number will be 161. snmp community, which I have already set, is public. So I'll type over here public. After that, click on add. Now let's see it is working or not. So before ending this video, I would like to share a few quick things with you. I create high quality tech related videos every day. So if you enjoy my content and want to support my work, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also make sure check out my other videos for more helpful content. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.